nutrition is essential for building a strong immune system, which could help protect us against diseases such as COVID-19 and other health issues. Let's take a look at some of the foods that support a strong, healthy immune system. Protein plays an important role in the immune system for healing and recovery. Vitamin A helps regulate the immune system and protects against infections by keeping skin and tissues in the mouth, stomach, intestines, and respiratory systems healthy. Vitamin C is important for the immune system as it stimulates the formation of antibodies. Vitamin E is an antioxidant and helps to support the immune system as well. Zinc is an important mineral to have in your immune boosting toolbox as well, as it helps to promote healing. I'm going to show you how to put together Damien's Purple Power Smoothie. First, we're going to use 1/2 cup of low-fat yogurt. We're going to use 1/4 cup of our strawberries. I've got 1/2 cup of blueberries. And 1/2 cup of orange juice. This is 100% orange juice from concentrate. We'll add a little honey in here as well. I got 2 tablespoons of honey. Ground flaxseed. Do pay attention. If you do get the whole kernel of the flaxseed, you need to grind it so that you get the nutritional value out of it. So this is 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, 1 sliced banana. We're going to hit blend. Look at that Purple Power smoothie, filled with all kinds of great immune boosting nutrients. If you have any questions, please contact me at nutritionalservices@albany.edu. See you next Wednesday.